Hey guys, it's your girl Shakira. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this low double bun natural hairstyle. I'm super excited because I had a lot of fun and I really enjoyed this hairstyle. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to be parting my hair down in the middle because the style is a double bun, but in the front I'm going to make it a bit asymmetrical and give it a little swoop on the right side of my head just to give it a little bit more personality and style. So I'm just putting up this side of my head into a hair tie so that it does not get in the way of the side I'm working on. Okay guys, so my hair is actually long enough to go into the ponytail. However, I want my hair to look as sleek as possible without causing any damage to my hair and putting too much tension on my hair. So what I'm doing, I'm putting my hair into the ponytail in sections. I'm starting from the back because it's a low ponytail. I want my ponytail to be in the back of my head. So I'm just sectioning out the back, and as I make my way to the front, I'm adding smaller sections and I'm applying gel to that sections and brushing it down so it can look as sleek as possible. And I'm working on the edge section last because, like I said in previous videos, I really do not like to pull my hair too tight. It might look tight, but I promise you my hair is not tight at all. And I leave my edges for last so that I can really take my time and not pull it too tight trying to get it into a ponytail. So that is what I am doing in this step. Okay guys, so I'm just going to be leaving out some pigtails at the side of my head. I don't know what they're called, but for the purpose of this video and explaining to you guys, we're gonna call them pigtails. So I'm gonna leave out a pigtail. I like to leave it out when I'm doing like buns or like high puffs. Comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys think about it, if you like it, if you don't like it. Let me know if you usually rock pigtails or if you don't. So it is optional. For this hairstyle I thought it would have been cute, so I'm just gonna leave some out, and then I'm gonna put the rest of my hair up into the hair tie. So I'm doing a twisted bun for this hairstyle, so I'm just twisting up the ends of my hair. Now that I am finished with one side of my head, I am going to do the same thing to the other side of my head. And I honestly was going to cut this section out, but I remembered reading a comment from one of you guys. You did express to me that in that video I cut out a part with me pinning my hair up. I cut it out of the video, and that information would have been beneficial to you guys. So I do not want you guys to be cheated out of any little details that I am doing that might be helpful to you. So you know who you are, who left me that comment. Thank you very much for that positive feedback. So if you guys would like to watch what I'm doing, feel free to watch it. And for those of you who get the gist and just want to move forward, feel free to fast forward to the next step. So now that I am finished with both sides, I'm going to be creating my bun, and I'm going to be using rubber bands to secure them. Okay guys, so I am honestly not good with edges. I said this in a previous video, but I'm just trying my best to make them look as cute as possible, because we all know once our edges is laid and slayed, it just puts your hairstyle on another level. So watch me struggle, guys. So I've had these gold hairpins for a very long time now, and I don't really use them. I'm not sure why, but for this hairstyle I just felt like, you know, it will go very good with them. So I just used them to create a little nice design on both sides of my head. Let me know what you guys think about them. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you like it. I actually really like this hairstyle. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button, and also hit the bell next to it to be notified every time I upload new videos. Comment and let me know what hairstyles you would like to see from me, or what other video content you would like to see me upload on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.